Afternoon, welcome. This is Waec year 2020 English test of oral past question. Question number 18 says that we should look out for the option that has the same vowel consonant sound rather as in the given word, particularly the underlying letter. The underlying letter in this word is the letter P. The letter P is underlined, and by International Phonetic Pronunciation, this word is pronounced as pen, pine. That is a sound, pine. The option A is pronounced as Sam, Sam. The I here is long as Sam. Option B here is pronounced as push, push. Option C is pronounced as empty, empty. While option D is pronounced as fain, fain. So by this transcription, one will notice that in option B, the P is not silent as in the given word. Therefore, option B is correct. Thank you and God bless you. Kindly subscribe for more videos.